Welcome. I'm so happy to have you here with me. We are going to get right into it. And if there are any noises that come up, try to connect back to your breath and connect back into yourself, into this meditation, being present with yourself, because in life, there's going to be noises around us. There's going to be events and circumstances around us that we can't control, but we do have control of how we respond and react to those circumstances. And this is an awesome time to practice, to connect deeper to yourself and to really set that foundation within. So get started by going into a comfortable seated position or lay down. You can pause until you're there. And then you're going to close down your eyes. So you can bring your palms to face up to receive energy or face down to ground. And start to feel into your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Let it out. Send it out. Inhale. Breathe the breath in. Exhale. Let it go. 2 more just like that. Inhale. Fill up. Inhale. Exhale. Let it go. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale through your mouth. And now we're gonna do inhales to the count of 3, exhales to the count of 5. So go ahead, inhale for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, inhale for 3, for 2, for 1. Exhale for 5, for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your nose, fill up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your mouth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 more. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. 1 more deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel the system of the body beginning to relax. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 1 more. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And now placing your left hand over your heart, right hand over your left, so your hands are on your chest. Feeling into your body here. You're gonna seal your lips and breathe in and out through your nose. Go ahead, inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose. Feel a deeper connection to your body. Breath in and breath out through your nose. 1 more deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Continuing to breathe like this, creating a slight restriction in the back of the throat, deepening your breath, deepening this connection to yourself and how you feel, allowing your breath to breathe you, allowing the breath to embody you, and allowing your breath to create ease within your system, and using this ease to your advantage to show up for yourself in a positive way. Dropping your hands down, taking 1 more deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let it go. Slowly opening your eyes here. thanking yourself for being here, for showing up for you today, and for providing yourself a tool that you can use at any time to take a moment to allow your body to reset using your breath. I hope this helped you. I hope you loved it. And I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in with me.